To start it off, we're going for a magic ring. I also will show you how to do it in an easier way if you struggle with the magic ring. I'll show you the magic ring first and then we go for the easier one. So for the magic ring first, hold on to your yarn and then wrap it around your two fingers like this. Then as you can see, we got two loops on our fingers. So insert your hook under the first loop and grab the second one, pull it through the first loop and twist it up. Now grab here from under and make a chain. There you got your magic ring. Into this magic ring, we're going for 6 single crochets as our first round. To do a single crochet, first insert your hook into the circle. Make sure that you have this tail beside the circle on your hook. Then yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over again and pull it through the both loops. Like this. And then we're going to repeat it 5 more times. Here, pull this tail to close it up, like this. This is how you're going to do it with magic ring. Then let's go show you how you can do it with fake magic ring. For that, make a slip knot. And chain 2. Now we have 2 V shapes here that we count them as a chain, like the first chain and the second chain. Now we want to back to the first chain or back to first V shape and work 6 single crochets into it. So insert your hook into that chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, so yarn over again and pull it through the both loops. Repeat it 5 more times into the same chain. This is our first round. For the next round, we're going for 6 increases. Increase is 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. That means by the end of round 2, we're gonna have 12 stitches. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull it through the both loops. Now we're gonna do it 1 more time into the same stitch. Now we work 2 single crochets in 1 stitch, which is called an increase. Now I want to mark the stitch so I don't lose where I started. Into the next stitch, I'm going to work an increase again. 1 and 2 single crochets in same stitch. And I do it for the next stitch too. I finished the second round and now I want to go for the third one. The pattern for the third round is 1 single crochet followed by an increase for 6 times. So for that, insert your hook to the stitch that you marked, remove the stitch marker, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull it through the both loops. Mark it again. It was our first single crochet and we're going to insert 2 single crochets into the next stitch, which is called an increase. Again, in the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, 2 single crochets. Again, 1 single crochet and then increase. Then for the 4th round, we go for 2 single crochets and then increase for 6 times. So that means 1 single crochet into the next stitch and another single crochet into the next stitch and then increase into the next stitch. The first single crochet and the second single crochet into the same stitch. Oh, I forget to mark it. Oh my god. Okay, let's continue. 1, 2, and 1, 2 in the same stitch. 1, another one, and 2. For round 5, we go for 3 single crochets and then increase for 6 times. 1 single crochet, mark, 2 more single crochets, 1 in each stitch, and then increase 2 in a same stitch. Once again, 3 single crochets, 1 in each stitch, and 2 in the same stitch. For round 6 to 15, we're going to work 30 single crochets around 1 in each stitch. No more single crochets, just 1 in each stitch, like 1 in this one, 1 in this one, 1 in this one, 1 in this one, like just keep it up. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet, mark, another single crochet, another single crochet into the next stitch, another single crochet into the next stitch, from now we need to have 30 single crochets at the end of each round.
When you keep working the single crochets, after some rounds you can see it comes up. So just do it until you hit round 15.
In this part we want to cut the yarn, but before that make sure that you're leaving a long tail for sewing. And pull. Now let's go for the stem. Until the second round, the steps are exactly the same thing as the first section. It means we need to make a regular magic ring or the fake one. And then 6 single crochets into it. And for the second round, 6 single crochets, which takes us to 12 stitches. From here on, we should work 12 single crochets in each round, 1 in each stitch. That was the first single crochet into the next stitch, and in the next stitch we work another single crochet. We don't have anything new, no increases, no 2 single crochets. Just 1 single crochet in each stitch. I worked 8 rows. You can work less or more rounds, it's up to you. Now add some stuffing. Again, we want to cut, but leave a long tail for sewing. Pull. Now bring your plastic needle. Place it to the center. Insert your hook. And start sewing them together. Here, add some stuffing. But don't fool it. Let there be some space. Now look at the edge of your work and the last single crochet you made. This is my last single crochet. Then we want to mark the stitch that is exactly facing it. Mark that stitch. Now insert the needle into the marked stitch. Pull and back. And again, insert the needle into the 2 same stitches. One more time. Remove the bobby pin. Now we're left with two sides. Bring them to the center. Insert a needle into the stitch under the center and the same stitch of the second one. Pull back and repeat it 2, 3, or 4 or more times. Okay, now it looks good, so I just stop here. Now all we need to do is gluing the eyes and blush it a little bit to make it more cute. Ta-da! Here is the final result and I love them. This is the end of the video. If it was useful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Bye!